Are you looking for the best HVAC multimeters? In your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best HVAC multimeters that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Fluke 117 323 Best HVAC Kit. Fluke is not a new name to persons related to the electrical or electronics field. They are pro in making next-level extra-efficient accurate multimeters. They had introduced a bunch of new useful features to the tools industry. Fluke multimeters are a leader in market when we talk about accuracy and reliability. Their performance has no match so far, and also they had proven the longest operational life than any other multimeter. After years and years of practical careful use still, they can give right results. This multimeter combo kit had a standard Fluke 117 and 323 clamp meter. This kit is enough for detecting all problems that can occur with some electrical and electronic systems. Digital multimeter has been designed to detect AC and DC voltages up to 600 volts with small ranges of currents also. Whereas clamp meters are specially used for checking high-level currents, same in the case this clamp meter is rated for amps up to 400 AC. This multimeter has some amazing features which are so helpful in process of troubleshooting HVAC problems. It has true RMS feature by which you don't have to worry about linear and non-linear loads issues while taking readings. As electrical workers, we know that there are many electrical machines and devices that have non-sinusoidal or non-linear loads, especially in HVAC. These types of unstable loads can be detected rightly by general multimeters. For these, only true RMS meters will work. It also has another useful feature of low impedance, which is so helpful to filter stray or ghost voltages, which are another big reason for false readings. Automatic voltage selection made it easier to check voltage without changing the selector knob from AC to DC or vice versa. It will automatically detect whether the volts are AC or DC and adjust according to it. Sometimes while checking electric parameters we had to check peak and lowest loads, like in machinery having torque loads. In that situation, load fluctuates to a higher level and then drops back in matter of seconds, so we don't have much time to record it. Providing a solution for it, this Fluke combo kit comes with min, max, AVG function. This means we'll get records for peak load, minimum and average load while testing loads of motors and other machinery. This Cat 3 safety-rated multimeter has very useful non-contact volt alert technology. When clamp head of meter goes near live circuits, it will detect voltages without being in contact with conductors. Up next in the fourth place is the UEi Test Instruments Best HVAC Clamp on Meter. If you are in search of a multimeter that can solely fulfill all HVAC-related tasks, then you should consider this UEi clamp multimeter. It will give accurate readings and reliability at such an affordable price that one can't expect. This multimeter has some extra current and voltage detection ranges than other multimeters. You can test voltages both AC and DC up to 750 volts. Current range is 400 AAC and resistance can be tested up to 40 megaohm. We really liked some of its amazing features like dual display. Dual display means it has two types of readings, one is at the top and other at the bottom. Top display readings are real-time readings of parameters that are being tested by clamp or amp readings. Whereas bottom readings are specific to test leads. Anything on the bottom display while using clamp is residual current or some type of interference. If you are curious to know about its material quality and outer looks, then we are pleased to say that it will never disappoint you in this matter. It is built with state-of-the-art ABS material. The outer body seems robust enough to survive rough, tough conditions. Test leads are good in quality, come with leads caps. There is a feasible place in the meter for lead placement. You can also hold test leads in clamps while working. One other feature we like in it is its low battery display lock function. Battery remains a serious headache for technicians who had more workload, so by frequent use batteries will go down earlier. This awesome feature will lock multimeter's display whenever battery loses power under certain limits. We found this multimeter perfectly suitable for all types of HVAC troubleshooting, general household uses and for automotive as well. The third product on our list is the Amprobe 4018649 AM 520 HVAC Multimeter. Amprobe multimeters are known for their reliability, rigorous outer body and safety certifications. Their tools are certified by state-of-the-art labs like UEi, CSA and Fluke safety labs. This Amprobe HVAC multimeter comes with many beneficial functions along with adorable outer interface and rugged body. This makes it an ideal HVAC multimeter for use in rough, tough environments. In HVAC setups where we have to control the temperature of enclosed areas intelligently with help of automation. These enclosed areas are usually airtight. The only source of fresh air there is HVAC air handling units or ventilator fans. So in that situation safety becomes a serious concern when you got no place to exhaust accidental highly lethal fire gases and fumes. To overcome this issue, fire alarms with flame sensors are installed all over in commercial or residential locations with HVAC systems. This Amprobe multimeter is perfectly accurate in testing flame sensors for microamps. Also, you can check capacitance of startup capacitors with a higher available range. Its liquid crystal display, LCD, is equipped with a white shiny backlight which is much helpful in areas with dim light. A built-in flashlight is present on top of multimeter which could be helpful for you to see components values and tags during work in the dark. We liked its rubber kickstand, which was beneficial for work while sitting across the workbench and testing different types of equipment. There is also a probe holder place for placing leads during breaks. We found a different amazing feature in this adorable HVAC multimeter which is relative zero mode. You can store reading of any parameter to zero mode for using it in future which will be helpful for you to do a comparison between two readings. Second on our list is the 325 Fluke HVAC Multimeter. The next best HVAC multimeter which got successful in taking a position in this strict list is Fluke 325 Clamp Multimeter. It comes with trustable Fluke's legacy, well-built hefty structure, pleasant design and guarantee pinpoint preciseness and durability. Fluke HVAC meters are already laboratory tested for safety assurance and this multimeter too certified by IEC safety standard 61010-1. It also has Cat level safety rating which rates this multimeter for Cat 3 up to 600 volts and Cat 4 up to 300 volts. This best Fluke multimeter for HVAC can be used to measure current in cables up to 30 mm gauge without interruption in the circuit. It has a nice slim ergonomic body with sturdy making material which made it perfect for use at rough tough environments and worse temperatures. There are simple elegantly printed parameters symbols around soft running rotary selector switch of multimeter. You can easily adjust the selector wheel according to the measurement you want to conduct. It comes with good quality carry-on handbag for convenient traveling along with it. Premium quality test leads and thermocouples are also included in the package. Test leads come with caps to prevent dirt from probe tips. So you can make dirt-free connections always to enjoy the best accurate and noise-free results possible. One thing we don't like about this multimeter is its relatively awkward color scheme. The contrast of red with royal yellow seems not much good looking in first view. Although it may be nicer for some people also. This digital multimeter has a wide range of temperature test capability. It can measure temperature from -10 up to 400 centigrade with help of a thermocouple plug. We analyzed many HVAC multimeters and clamp meters with all basic functions and accessories. But its unbelievable higher DC voltage range was genuinely a big surprise for us. Where all other clamp multimeters were offering current ranges up to 400 amps which are only for AC, it has an equal range of 400 V for DC currents also. Finally, the top product on our list is the Triplet 6-in-1 HVAC meter. HVAC technicians usually had to overcome a number of challenges during their routine work. They had to regularly check temperature, air quality, fire alarm system response and many other electric applications. Also, there is a number of electric equipment involved in HVAC systems which demands sharp monitoring and maintenance. So there is no other option than having the right superior quality HVAC multimeter with all related parameters. This multimeter has some extraordinary functions in addition to all ordinary features offered by general multimeters in this price range. The relative humidity test is one of its amazing functionalities. You can continuously test relative humidity of environment at any place. This feature is so helpful for HVAC technicians as they can adjust machinery with help of humidity levels. Sound and light test are also amazing environment tests present in this multimeter besides humidity test. Sound intensity can be checked anywhere at noisy locations, like home theaters or industries with heavy machinery. You can also test fire alarm sound levels in decibels with help of this multimeter. In its amazing environment test, it can constantly give all three results for humidity, sound, and light at a time. In the light test it measures illumination in lux. A stable silicon sensor is present in this multimeter which gives accurate results always. We are forced to appreciate manufacturers for building this muscular body outer for this unique HVAC multimeter. Its outer surface is overmolded, which means it has dust and splashproof material which is helpful for using it in environments having wear and tear. Its extra molded housing structure also provides safety and damage protection in case of sudden drops. Triplet is a purely US-based company and all these multimeters are being manufactured in USA. As some people have concerns for the products which has an origin of one country and production in another country, they can trust it for sure. For making sure it's hands-free use, a built-in stand is present in it. What includes in the package are nice quality test leads, alligator probe extensions, K-type temperature probe and 9V battery. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.